Hi, I'm Joey. Welcome to Watersports factory inside. Today I'm in a kayak factory which make rotomolded and thermoformed kayaks. I knew this factory from 2017 and I like their products. And this factory is located in Jinhua, Zhejiang province. They have been doing this business for 13 years. All these boats we can see in this showroom are made in this factory. Kayak, canoe, sea kayak, sprint kayak, SUP boats, even ultra canoe. We can distinguish them by appearance. Generally, glossy ones like this one are made using some foaming. And while the rough ones, like this one, are made using rotational molding. Okay, let's follow my camera to see how are they made. Here is the rotomolding area. Let's take a look. Okay, let's start with the rotomolded kayak first. The first step is to put the material into the mold. They're going to make a pink one, so they put the pink material. It's PE. The material actually is PE. Put the material inside. And the mold has two parts. The upper part, the lower part. After putting the material inside, now they close the mold. Okay, now they are putting the mold into the big oven. Yeah, like a big oven. The mold will keep heating and rotating inside. Okay, now the mold is rotating inside. The mold is inside, and now it's rotating. Okay, now they put the mold on the frame to make it cool down. It takes about 20 minutes. He's cutting out the carpet. Okay, the last step is to assemble the accessories here. The handles, the carpet, like the hatch, yeah. And finally, they are packaged here and stored for shipment. Okay, now let's take a look at how a thermoformed kayak is made. Okay, now I invite Mr. Joe, the manager of the thermoforming process, to show us the entire process. Okay. 好，朱师傅，我们开始吧。这个第一步是
板放上去，
要把板放上去。Okay. Okay, the first step is to, place the ABS plastic sheet. And into the machine. 这个是 ABS 对吧？
对，它上面有一层膜。
Okay, the material is ABS. Now he is going to heat the ABS plastic. You can see, this tube. The usage of this tube is to heat the ABS and to make it soft and moldable. This heating process will take about 10 minutes. Okay, the heating process is finished now. He's checking the temperature of the material, of the ABS material. Okay, next step is to place the heated ABS, over the mold, to cover the mold. Wow. And then the vacuum pressure is applied to the whole mold. Okay. "这个需要冷却吗？可以拿出来了。Okay. Now it's time to take it out. Okay, next step is to cut out the shape of the boat. Okay, now the upper part of the kayak is completed. So quick. Only about 15 minutes. Wow. Unlike rotomolding, thermoforming use two separate molds. One for the upper deck and one for the lower hull. You can see. Yeah, we can get two separate parts. Once both parts are formed, they are joined together to create a complete kayak. Okay. There is a kayak here. It's a sprint kayak. Interesting. But it's plastic. Actually, I do some cool design and produce with this factory, like this plastic OC1. This is our first sample for the thermoformed OC1. Can you believe that? It's a plastic ultra canoe. I think maybe it's the first one in the world, the plastic OC1. So what are the key differences between rotomolded and thermoformed kayaks? Rotomolded kayaks are known for their exceptional durabilities and affordabilities. They can withstand heavy use and impact, make them a popular choice for clubs, rental fleets, and recreational paddlers. Thermoformed kayaks, on the other hand, are lighter, stiffer, and offer a more premium finish. They provide a better performance on the water, and often preferred by touring and sea kayaks. Ultimately, neither construction method is better in every situation. It all depends on paddlers' budget, needs, and intended use. Thank you for joining me on this tour of a kayak manufacturing factory in China. If you'd like to see more behind the scene contents from the watersport industry, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.